In this video, I'll be showing you 10 tips and tricks that can make your Cebu trip the best. Let's get started. Number 1. Planning your trip. Not just for Cebu, but for all of your travels, you need to plan every trip and put a ton of research into it because traveling is basically going to unknown places and you need to be kinda familiar with the things you'll be doing and the culture of the place. Planning sounds kinda time consuming, but then there are a lot of apps that can help you. There are many apps you can try, such as Google My Maps, where you could map out the attractions and restaurants. But there's one app that I recommend you using, which is Wanderlog, because it's a free all-in-one app that helps you keep on budget, plan, and you can map out the area and create a lot of lists of restaurants, attractions, and all of that. Be sure to check the site out, and the link is in the description. Number 2. Install Google Maps. Google Maps is probably a part of daily life, but if you haven't, just install it because it's gonna help you navigate anywhere, especially if you're renting a car or a bike or just walking in Cebu. It's one of the apps that help the most in your Cebu trip. It also helps you find shops or necessities nearby, especially in unfamiliar places. Number 3. Get the Grab app. Instead of wasting time waiting for a taxi, this app calls a private taxi for you to your pickup point, making a hassle-free experience. It also prevents overpricing because it already has a given price before you even ride the car. Grab also offers food delivery service from most restaurants to anywhere. Number 4. Stay in Oslob. Oslob has the amazing world-famous whale sharks, but you have to be there by 3 a.m. to avoid waiting for long periods of time. Many people start their trip at midnight, but I recommend you stay in Oslo. Hokim's Lodge is a great place to stay in Oslo and offers a service to get to the whale shark watching area. They can also contact Sumilan Island boats if you want to visit. You could check the place out in Agoda for cheap prices. Number 5. Make sure when you're planning you have a relaxed vacation in Cebu. Rushing can ruin your entire trip and cause sickness and fatigue. Make sure you have a relaxed itinerary, and I recommend staying there for at least 7 days. With that 7 days, you should be able to go to Oslob, Mactan, and Cebu. I recommend staying in Mactan for 3 to 4 days depending on your hotel. Number 6. Stay away from the city as much as possible. The city is a whole level of traffic and chaos, and it's very chaotic, and you would rather stay in Mactan with its beaches than enjoying the city. Just take a day trip to the city at most because the attractions can be visited in only 4 hours and they're very close to each other, so little transport is required. So don't bother to have a night in the city because you won't need one. The only problem with this is that Mactan is relatively undeveloped and the good restaurants are in the city. So if you are a foodie, maybe you want to think about this first. Number 7. Avoid Manila Airport. Most flights to Cebu are from Manila, and most likely you will fly to Manila then fly via Cebu Pacific to Cebu. But don't go to Manila Airport as much as possible. Cebu Pacific has direct flights from Korea, Japan, and many other locations going to Cebu, so choose those routes instead. There are also many airlines that have other direct flights aside from Manila Airport. Mactan Cebu International Airport is a very nice airport, so Manila Airport is probably a place worth skipping. It's currently getting rehabilitated, so hopefully it gets better. Number 8. Whale shark watching waves. We went to Cebu in February and the waves while watching the whale sharks were nauseating. It gave us dizziness for a few hours. We heard that on the day before, 3 boats capsized because of the waves. According to the staff there, May has no waves and is very calm. 9 a.m. is when the boats capsized, so heads up on what to expect. Nevertheless, the sight of the whale sharks were worth the dizziness. Number 9. Stay near malls, convenience stores, or bus stops. The hotel at Oslob had a bakery at the front that ran for 24 hours. We stayed in the city beside Ayala Mall Center Cebu, McDonald's across the street, and 7-Eleven convenience store. Solea Mactan Resorts had a lot of restaurants, and you could always get a Grab food delivery service beforehand. So staying near these necessities are very vital for your survival in Cebu. Number 10. Research. Researching is very, very important for a successful trip, and it is one of the most important pre-trip things to do. Get a short list of restaurants to try and attractions to visit. Research for maintenance days of some attractions, like in Sumilan Island is closed for maintenance on the third Wednesday of the month, while Tumalog Falls is closed every second Wednesday of the month. So that's it for the 10 tips and tricks for making the best Cebu trip possible. Hope you enjoyed this video and remember to give it a like, share, and subscribe.